Thank you for choosing Hero Products. Please follow all standard safety procedures before performing any service on any unit, including the following. Always unplug unit from power source prior to servicing. Be careful when dealing with electrical currents. Clean spills before proceeding with service. And watch the entire video at least once before proceeding. In this video, we'll be replacing a capper assembly on a Hero Archimedes colorant dispenser. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, as well as a replacement capper assembly. The first step will be to safely remove your mouse and keyboard and place them somewhere safe. Open the lid. We need to remove the Phillips screw that holds the capper in place. To get to that screw, we will remove the two nozzles in the center if they're present on your machine, just by lifting them up. For filming purposes, we have removed half the nozzles in this machine. We're going to remove the Phillips screw. This screw holds the capper in place. On the back, there are some clips that hold the harness in place on the back of the machine. They look like this one, and they just unclip very easily when you twist it. On some units, they may be zap strapped in place, in which case you'll need to remove them with a pair of snips. With the harness exposed and this connector in view, you can press on the two tabs to unplug it. And when we go below, we want to remove the sponge cup by pulling it towards ourselves. And then the capper must be removed by doing the same. When you hear it click, you can drop it down and remove the harness. When you replace it, you put the harness back in, you bring the cap up into position, and you align these three tabs with the three holes located here. Insert them into the holes and push back until it clicks. And you can put your cap sponge back in place. We'll reconnect the harness by plugging them in, and you can reconnect it to the back of the machine with the twist strap. Place the Phillips screw back in. And that concludes the replacement of the capper assembly in your automatic dispenser. For more information or videos, please visit hero.ca.